sorry, cuz I haven't been whatever it is. Responsible, reliable, really useful. But I will be! I will be! James!
Ah! So you've lost your sparkle too, huh? Bye-bye, Twinkle Toes.
It's empty.
Here we go.
This engine's not for scrapping.
We'll think it's something.
That's it.
He's after me.
I'll find you some more, Lily. I promise. If I'm going to be any help at all, it's now or never. I've got to use up the rest of this stuff.
Are you ready?
James the Brains. Get us out of here.
Oh, boy! What the?
Yahoo!
There's no place like home.
Bye, James.
Goodbye.
Sorry to be so long, cuz. But better late than never.